Hey guys, Chef Jason, your Ace Hardware grilling expert. Today, we're gonna show you how to do some whole roasted pineapples on the Traeger and use a little bit of that Texas sugar. Gonna make this tasty and delicious. First things first, let's head out, get the grill started, then it's time to do a little prep. We'll go ahead and fill the Traeger today with my favorite Ace Reserve Blend pellets, and we're gonna set today's cooking temperature at 375 degrees. Let's take a quick second and just talk about our ingredients. Super simple today. We have a whole pineapple, and we have some of that Texas sugar. Now, I know we have a lot of different rubs and seasonings available at your local Ace Hardware, but I'm using that Texas sugar from Meat Church because it is going to add a beautiful savory component to the sweetness of that pineapple. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and top the pineapple. Now, I'm using a thin bladed boning knife because it's going to make trimming this a lot easier. So we're gonna go ahead and take the top off, then we'll go ahead and flat spot the bottom as well. That will keep this stable. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe my cutting board real quick, get everything cleaned up, come back, show you how to trim it. One of the reasons I said we want to use a thin bladed boning knife is, look at this. See how you can start to see where the eyes are? What I want is a thin bladed boning knife, so watch. I can follow the curve of that pineapple while staying inside the eyes. Hopefully I say, at the end of it, we will be able to have a nice pineapple that's peeled and we've taken those eyes out. So now that I cut my first round, I can already see the eyes here. So I'm going to follow that curve again like that. And I'm just gonna keep staying inside those eyes and work my way all the way around. Well, now that we're done, we'll go ahead, spin it around, and if we need to do any trimming, we'll go ahead and take any of those random eyes. Well, there's another one there, I forgot, off there. You don't have to, but it just looks so much prettier, right? All right, now, we're gonna go ahead and hit that Texas sugar. We haven't done anything to this yet other than peel it or trim it. We didn't core it or any of that. So here's what we're gonna do now. We are going to season, like I always say, as lighter as heavy, a little bit of that Texas sugar on there. No binder, we're just letting that rub stick to the pineapple. We are all preheated right at that 375. We're gonna carefully slide that off right in the middle. Now, we're gonna let this go 15 or 20 minutes, but honestly, we're gonna judge it based on kind of what it looks like and the doneness and the color. So we'll come back in 15 minutes, give it our first check. Here we are right after that 15 minutes, and I'll tell you what, we are not quite soft yet and we haven't started to caramelize yet. So we're gonna leave this closed, or I should say we're gonna go ahead and close it, leave it closed, we'll let it go for another 5 minutes. Here we are right after 20 minutes, we'll give it a little knife check. Tell you what, I like the softness, but I wanna have a little bit more color. So we're gonna go 5 more minutes and then I will see you in the kitchen. Right after 25 minutes, we are done. So let's dig in and slice a little bit of this off. Look at that. We're gonna get a beautiful blend of seasonings, of pineapple, of all that. So now what I'll do is just go through here, slice that up, because guess what? It is time to add that, for one, onto some beautiful tacos, just like that. And just like that, roasted pineapple on the Traeger, super delicious. Now, think about all the possibilities, right? I've got it on tacos. You could put it on anything you want. Burger, grilled chicken, even more. That is delicious. Hey, speaking of even more, stay tuned because coming up, I've got my carne asada taco video. I think you'll enjoy that one too.